OMG, just one more floor. Then I can get her golden skin. Thank you, Dandy, I'm going to need that. Why me? I forgot she heard you when you pick up something. I'm cooked. OMG, I thought I was going to die. Oh hi. So I might have accidentally stopped recording. Sorry about that. But I did record the rest of the run. I will be turning that into a full video. But enjoy me being the golden skin.
That run took me about 2 hours, by the way. It was very stressful and difficult. I got Pebble in a blackout. You'll have to wait for the video to see that though.
I did all that for just a Burger King Bobette?